Building a company website you're proud of takes a lot of time, energy, and money. Yet after you launch your website, the job isn't done. Regular maintenance tasks need to be done on a regular basis so everything runs smoothly. But who's got time for that? That's where website maintenance plans come in. They help you focus on your business by letting your provider take those necessary, time-consuming tasks over. But are maintenance plans really worth it? Hi, I'm Sarah, your friendly neighborhood marketing gal, and today we're talking about maintenance plans. What are they? Why are they important? And if they're really worth it. And for clarity, I'm focusing on WordPress-based maintenance plans, but a lot of what I say can be applied to other websites. All right, let's dive in. A website maintenance plan is exactly how it sounds. It's a continual process to keep your website functional, from software updates, preventing hackers, and even making content updates, like updating employee bios and removing old service information. Maintenance plans are designed to make your website the last thing on your worry list. WordPress websites are particularly vulnerable because its core software is open source, meaning it's made by a core team, but then distributed openly to others to make changes and improve upon. It's truly what makes WordPress great, but it's also its greatest weakness. So that is why I always recommend WordPress websites have a maintenance plan. These plans can come in all shapes and sizes and largely depend on the size of your website, its features, and custom tools. But the core features of all plans that need to be included are software updates, backups, preferably daily, and some kind of security monitoring. Technology is continuously changing to improve our daily lives. And on the flip side, online no-gooders are continually creating new ways of breaching websites and creating messes for others to clean up. Sometimes just for fun, and other times for more lucrative reasons. Ugh. Here are two things I like to remind people when they're considering maintenance plans. Websites are not set it and forget it anymore. Security is the most critical factor for keeping your website up to date. Every website is at risk for cyber attacks, no matter how small or large your company may be. According to IBM's 2022 data breach report, the average cost of a data breach is $4.35 million, which has increased by 2.6% from last year. That is a tremendous amount of money that can be costly for companies to recover. While many small businesses don't feel vulnerable to cyber attacks, in fact, 43% of breaches targeted small companies. You definitely don't want to be part of that statistic. A good company maintenance plan ensures you keep security threats at bay by taking the proper precautions. That starts with having a high-quality security plugin and continues with updating plugins and themes to prevent vulnerabilities in the first place. It costs more to fix than maintain. Neglecting to perform regular maintenance can cause larger problems. Just like not changing the oil in a car can seize the engine, not updating software can result in compatibility issues which can lead to the dreaded white screen of death. Eek. This type of neglect can damage the look and functionality of your website. When that happens, you have to make a choice. Fix it yourself, which can cause more damage, possibly, or pay the sometimes hefty price for someone experienced to fix it, which, speaking from experience, can lead to even more costs because you have to rebuild it because the website's too far gone. Just like an engine, it costs more to fix than it does to properly maintain it. Regular oil changes help keep your vehicle running smoothly. Regular website maintenance helps keep your website running smoothly. Before I get to our next point, if you like this information and you found it helpful so far, hit that like button. So are website maintenance plans really worth it? This is going to shock you, but I'm a little biased on this. Yes, WordPress maintenance plans are totally worth it. Regardless of the list of features your particular plan includes, the real benefit they provide is the peace of mind that your business's website is being actively monitored by professionals. Maintenance plans are not glamorous, but they're necessary. Because when, and I mean when, because the internet is, well, crazy, your website will have a problem, you want to be able to call someone and have them explain what's going on, how they already probably are aware of the problem, and how they're going to fix it. That's the real benefit of a great website maintenance plan. So allow yourself some peace of mind and enroll into a website maintenance plan today. If you already have one, great! I encourage you to reach out to your provider and ask them all the questions you know what's included or not. If not, Third Angle has offered maintenance plans for nearly a decade now, so reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you out and fix you up with a plan. Otherwise, I'm Sarah from Third Angle. Thanks for watching. Okay, there we go. WordPress websites are particularly vulnerable because I can't read. I like to remind people when they're considering all the things. Your security threats and blah, 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 blah. Go Dayquil.